Hi everyone, so I just bought a brand new Dual Shock 3 controller. Then today we're gonna be unboxing. So here it is. We got here the red Dual Shock 3 controller. Power up L1, L2, R1, R2. Start and select D-pad, joysticks, square, triangle, X, O. This one is for player 1. This one is for player 2. This one is for player 3. And I think this one is for player 4. Comparing to the Dual Shock 4 controller that I got, this was not a brand new controller. This was a second-hand controller. L2, L1, L R2. R1. Player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. It has touchpad, option, share button. It have a speaker voice and a logo button and joysticks. So that's it pretty much. If you like my video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and see ya. Peace.